For this Google Classroom, we're going to be looking at categories. On each of the screens, there are 2 words that describe the categories there are. At the bottom of the screen are 6 pictures. 3 of those pictures are going to go into the first category, and the other 3 of those pictures are going to go in the second category. It's your job to choose which category the picture goes in. So let me show you what you're supposed to do on the first screen. My categories are food and clothes. So I'm going to go down to my picture, and I'm going to click it, select it, and drag it up to which one it matches. I know a hamburger is a food. A t-shirt would go under clothes. A pair of shorts would go under clothes. An apple would go under food. A shirt would go under clothes. And grapes would go under food. Now each of these screens has 3 pictures for each category. So if you have 3 pictures in each category and they match your category name, then you know you're done. I'm going to click on the rest of them that are like this, and I'm going to read the category names to you. For this one, we have animals and people. You can click and drag the pictures where they belong. The next one is flowers and trees. The next one is hearts and stars. Then we have buildings and cars. The next one is weather and school. Then we have sports and sunglasses. Then there's summer and winter. Then there is girls and boys. And the last one for this section is party and hats. Now remember, if you can't read those while you're doing this, you can come back to this video and find what screen you're on and play it, and then I'll read the words for you again. When you get to the next section with the directions slide, then you need to stop and watch the directions for the next part.